Hello and welcome back to day 4 of our breakfast series. Today I'll be making a quick and tasty sun-dried Idiyappam Upma or sevai usli. This is light, flavorful and perfect for busy mornings. Start by soaking the sun-dried Idiyappam in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are soft. Then drain the excess water completely, fluff it gently with a fork or hand and keep it aside. For tempering, heat a teaspoon of oil in a kadai, then add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, let them splutter. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dal and saute until it turns golden. Toss in 2 slit green chillies and a few fresh curry leaves, saute for a few seconds until aromatic. Next, add in softened idiyappam and mix gently. Sprinkle salt to taste and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Give this all a good mix and let it steam on low flame for 2 minutes. Finally finish with 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut or desiccated coconut. Mix everything well and let it steam on low flame for another minute and that's it. Our Idiyappam Upma is ready to be served. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and see you tomorrow with another breakfast recipe.